What happened?
Hold it. Pain in the knee is bothering a lot.
Knee pain?
Ah,
A few days before you were complaining about pain in your shoulder joint. Before that you were complaining about wrist pain. Now knee pain. As per your symptoms, I think it can be because of vitamin D3 deficiency. That's why pain is rotating in your body.
this is the problem with you doctors. You see everything as a disease. There is no disease. It's just a mere coincidence.
I am telling you, just get blood test done because vitamin D3 deficiency causes joint pain plus severe hair fall as you are having.
Come on, give me my tea back. You are holding tea as if you are going to drink the tea. What nonsense. And where is the hair fall?
Vitamin D3 deficiency also causes mood swings as with you nowadays.
I'm telling you, nothing is wrong with me. Everything is good. Everything is okay. But you're not ready to understand. I'll reach home. I'll do a fabulous oil massage of my knee. And you see, I'll run faster than a horse tomorrow. Your eyes and mind will be blown by my running. And you'll regret all of your medical knowledge that you're pounding on me. Now let me sip my tea.
So my dear, sorry. So my dear, how are you? Did oil massage or not?
Yes, it's going on.
Yes, oil massage is going on from past 1 week, and because of this oil massage, even cooking oil has finished at home.
I am saying from the first day, if the problem is from inside, then how oil application from outside is going to help?
Nothing to worry, yeah.
Let me help. Listen, we'll give you 2-3 tips, just apply them, okay? Just pull your pants back. See, it's going to be very simple. Believe it. This part of your knee, known as patella, just below this, it's just paining, right? This means this muscle
Yes.
is weak. You have to do massage of it strongly every day for about 10 to 15 days. You have to do a deep massage like this so that you get that severe pain. Yes, today it's paining. Just do it for about 10 to 15 days and it's not going to pain. So first do massage over here and after that focus on the side as over here like this so that your knees become free. Do over here and yes, it should hurt. Now on the other side, same way and it should hurt. Press like this, move it, squeeze it, move it. So now we have covered 3 sides. Only upper part is left. And now we will focus on the upper part of the patella over here. I will press here. See, it's painful, right?
Yeah.
This means that this muscle over here is also very weak. You have to work on it, press and move, squeeze, and you should be in pain. If it's not paining, this means you are not doing it correctly. Don't worry, this pain is going to last for few days. If you feel that using your fingers for pressing is causing pain in your thumb or fingers, then use elbows. Use elbows
No,
like
no,
this.
doctor.
Just press and rub. Press properly. There will be pain. Do it for about 2-3 minutes. After few days, there will be no pain on the same area where you are feeling tremendous pain today. So you have to do it every day so that your 4 sides of the knees are free. Now after this, just fold your legs like this. Just notice this calf muscle and see where it is attaching to the knee from back side and go deep. Yes, here. You have to press deep. You have to find a spot which is most painful. There is a tendon. You have to find it and press over there hard. Yes, like this. If it's hard for you to find, just keep on searching and wherever you will feel most pain, just press over there and that's your spot. Today is the first day, that's why you are in severe pain, but after few days of practice, doesn't matter how hard you press, it's not going to pain. So these are some of the very simple things that are going to help you.
That's it, doctor. You know, just few days back, I watched a very interesting video with the title, Drink a Glass and All Joint Pain Vanished. I have almost collected all the ingredients. As I'll collect all the ingredients, you just watch. I will not run as fast as horse, but will fly as rocket. Zoop! Got it?
Means whatever I explained was nonsense.
I'm fine. Just wait for few days, doctor. Namaste, doctor.
Oh, Mr. Rocket was going to fly zoop. Come, have a seat. How can I help you?
Need your help, doctor, with the knee pain.
But you were going to drink that magical drink which will remove your pain in 24 hours. It didn't work.
Yes, it didn't work. But the exercise that you told me,
Yes.
they seems to be very helpful.
So you did them.
And what you were saying about some blood test of vitamins to be done few weeks back?
So you mean that the recommendations that I gave, they helped you?
Yes.
See, if my recommendations have helped you, then I will suggest you to do vitamin D3 test. That was my first recommendation. And if vitamin D3 will be low, then you have to take vitamin D3 supplements. With this, you have to do exercises that I have told you for about 15 days continuously. This will be the right treatment. Do it religiously for 15 days, and this will make your knee joint healthy. And your knees are also linked with your feet, so that's why you have to work on your feet also. Feet exercises are actually very easy. For this, you just need a stretch band. Stretch band like this and hook it to the lower part of your bed or any other thing that you have at home. Now after placing your band, put your feet inside the band and now move your feet towards inside of your body. And the band is going to restrict the movement by pulling your feet outside. Now this movement you have to do for at least 15 to 20 times and total set of 3. As a result of these exercises, sole of your foot is going to be stronger and will bring your knees, your hips, your legs in a proper alignment, and this will reduce the chances of knee pain or lower back pain. Your body is going to be in proper shape.
I'm not in so much problems as you are thinking and giving me these serious recommendations. You know what? I'm feeling someone has done black magic on me. I don't need exercise and vitamins. I just need a good healer and he will cure me.